So everything has started here, in beautiful Innsbruck. This is me, my bike and some stuff. And here are glorious people from Komoot team. Hey guys! We got together in one place to ride bikes to another place and meet more glorious people from Komoot team. Wait, but why? Okay, let me explain. People work for Komoot from different places in Europe, but several times a year we all come together in one place to work and have fun. But before that, 9 people decided to make a pre-party. We all came to Innsbruck, got some beer and ice cream, and on the next day... Good morning. We're getting late. You ready?
Super ready.
Yeah! Let's go! Let's get to Weissensee.
How the climbing is going?
Huh? Well, now it's kind of over. Not over. We have a little bit pause for the climbing. But good. Nice weather. Beautiful view.
So we go to the border now.
Everyone has their passports.
So now we are officially in Italy. Just past the border. Yeah, nice. Beautiful town. Here we try to find some pizza. Can you show some pizza excitement? Pizza, pizza! So if you drink beer and ride bikes, something like this is gonna happen.
Was only a Radler.
We are here. First day is done. Everyone is happy. Happy. So we came to a small Italian town where everyone for some reason speaks German. And
Here
it's
we
great.
are in Austria, not in Italy.
ITAUSTRIA.
Yeah,
ITAUSTRIA.
Austrital.
Austrian.
Waiting for my beer now.
Look at this view.
Wow. Ja, das. Coffee! What is the distance we rode?
30? Yeah, 30.
Just 30.
But I think it was like first climb.
Climb.
Yeah,
Climb.
it wasn't really a climb, but it's downhill from now.
It
In
was
a
a
good
climb.
way. It was the climb.
From the start. But
Downhill and then just a little bit of a bump.
nice.
Tiny bump, right?
Tiny wall.
Tiny wall.
What's your favorite tattoo?
This dude I quite like. You can see him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And then the self-portrait is a good one as well. I like that one.
Ah.
Self-portrait.
This one?
Snake.
And then the back probably is obviously the kind of, not I ever see it, but
In the sauna.
in the sauna. Yeah.
So let's go further, guys.
Cookies.
Go back.
I was super tired, but I couldn't fall asleep.
What's in your room?
No, that wasn't a problem. No.
That was me.
No, you weren't snoring.
I know, yeah.
But all of you are tired, no? So I'm just the only one. I'm brave enough to shut my eyes.
Guys, please continue. Oh my god, I think we are all getting tired now.
Tiffany special.
Gummy bears.
Tips gummy bears.
Last climb. You ready, Toby? No. Me neither.
Weissensee! We did it!
We did it! Yes!
Weissensee!
Weissensee! Good jump!
Let's jump! Yes!
And now.
No? They went to the hotel maybe?
Get in, get in!
Let's go further.
I really like the...
Let's go further.
It's a really nice idea. Like,